knows I'm still really strong. Nope. Change his mind. Here comes Ian Steele over here in the helicopter. Taking pictures. Couldn't get the book today. Car number 1. Still moving. Ride it. 257. Got 4 cars going through. There it is. And 911. 727 looking for something. 111. He's still got bunch of guys moving. Looks like early, number 911 hit Hudson Howard. 911 trying to get 911 going. Very nice, back to back of 727. 554. And all the way out, hey! And we're going to smack the motivator stuff. Motivator on my rabbit. There's something to hit. There goes 911, still moving. They know they're going to hit somebody. 727's on the air. Oh, that was a good one. Hot number 1 up in the air a little bit. Hot one hit on They knows that this on place. 64, still cruising right in them. Oh, what's that there? Number 1 is 727, looking for somebody. Not 111 good. Number 1, Robin is still pacing around. Number 727. Jason Whitaker is still going. 454. Where are you? Abigail City. Justin O'Neill. Justin O'Neill. 727 alive and alone at it. 411. 111. 911. Car number 52 is looking. 4 cars moving for us. They're up in the way. We both got 727. 111 towards the left. 111 going after it. Travelers, just a head on. We got a little fire coming out of the this side. We got a little fixed up there. We got 2 little fires coming out of the car. I don't know if it's supposed to be out or not. Taking place on the flying on the top of 111. Kevin Rocker just got a little bit of a headbutt. So did we over here. Now it's up to 12 on the corner. That's still in there, still good. Hold it.